Hello, I am Sakshi Kulkarni along with my teammates Vaishnavi, Morge and Koumudi Joshi. We are from Cummins College of Engineering, Pune, and our guide for our project is Atul Joshi sir. So the topic of our project is Centralized Monitoring System for automatic fault detection in street lamps. So we have taken this initiative of the automating this system, which is currently manual. So with the help of IoT and the sensors like current sensor and voltage sensor, and the Wi-Fi technology, we are automating this system. We are really grateful for our college, Cummins College, and our mentor for giving us this opportunity, and thankful for this opportunity which we got to come here, Automation Expo 2024. So thank you.